Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So I literally just woke up, which is why I look so groggy. But before I get on in this video, I just wanted to kind of explain what it is, explain why I'm doing it, that kind of thing, because it's definitely different from my other videos. So on a bunch of my recent videos, I've been having people ask if I can like take my camera around to the stores and like show you guys the cute little trinkety stores here. And I personally love watching those kinds of videos. Like I love the whole shop with me video trend and that kind of stuff. However, I totally understand that like probably most people that subscribe to me don't watch those videos because I've never done those types of videos before. But I did just kind of want to like make the people that requested that video happy, and since I've been uploading so much, I figured if this is not your style of video, there are like so many other videos that I have put up in the past couple weeks that you could definitely go watch. So yeah, last night I basically took my camera around to a bunch of just crippity nickety crap stores here that just sell a bunch of really small trinkets. And I also went to the little like fresh fruit and veggie farmers market that they do around here too. So I hope you enjoy this video. Just a heads up, I'm not really saying much in it. Like I'll make some comments here and there, but as I was editing I was like, should I add music? But no, because I think it's cool for you to like hear like all the foreign speakers in the background. I don't know, it's kind of like cultural. But yeah, once again, I'm sorry if this is not your cup of tea. I understand that it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea. If it's not, I do have tons of other videos I posted, so feel free to go watch some of those. I'm actually about to go to the farmers market this morning, so I'm really excited about that because I've not been to like the big Hawaiian farmers market here, so I'll definitely be doing kind of a vlog type of thing there too. So look out for that. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! I get these. These are really good. Ooh, chilies. Oh my gosh, look at how big these avocados are. Oh, that's so cute. I would love one of those for my balcony. So cute. Alright, so then this part is all downstairs, and then they also have this cute little upstairs area, so I'll take you guys up here. I'm freaking thriving right now, just walking around with my camera, like showing you guys all this stuff. Oh my gosh. This would be like such a cute double wrap or something. Same with this. Cute little turtle. Oh my gosh, they have so many. I'm gonna make Cleo wear these all the time. It's cute. Be cute for like your car. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like that one. Next time you're bored, The Endless Summer. Watch it. So good. This is cute. It's like a passport cover. Look at how intricate these are. Ooh, I love this. It's so cute.
Okay, bye.
A little coconut purse. Oh, these would be so cute for like a wedding or something. So cute. Hi. Oh, cute little chokers. Love these. Cute. Oh, so cute little bowls.
So you don't want a necklace?
I'm gonna keep looking and I might come back, okay? Cutie, so pushy. I feel so bad saying no to people. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. These are all handmade, you guys. A cute little water bottle holder. It'd be like so cute if you went on like a hike or something. They have like a tissue box holder. This is like something my grandma would totally have had. This one, oh my gosh. This one's cute. I like these little placemats. I would totally like have these at my house, but I don't have a kitchen table, so. Oh, these are cute too. These are like so cute and just like cute little intricate things. Okay, where have I not gone? It's called, oh Lord, I feel like I'm about to get lost in here. I need a hook. That would be so cute. I love these. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. This is like something I would have been like obsessing over when I was younger. I used to love this kind of stuff. It's cute. I love this like wooden stuff. I really need a cutting board. Okay, this is like 13. That's not bad. For like a nice chopping block. Ooh. Oh, this is so cute for like chips and dip. They literally have every single kind of keychain here. Oh, I like that one. This is cute. I used to have this one, but it fell off. Oh, Cleo, I won't forget you, baby. I'm definitely gonna have to get her either like a Hawaiian leash. Oh my god, they have these cute little shirts. Oh my gosh. This is like cute. Like high-waisted pants, that would actually be like really cute. And this is actually made really well. Oh my gosh. This is nice. I like this. I wonder if they have Adrienne. They never do. They have the guy Adrienne. They don't have the girl. I love this. It's $5. That's so cute. It'd be so cute, like, to make a pair of shorts that had like all these cute patches. What is this? Oh, it's golf balls. Oh my gosh, I did not know. $3. $3 for all this. I think I'm gonna have to get one. $2. Dude, this is awesome. Garlic. Little peppers for $2. $2 for, gosh, $2 for 3 of these. This lady is like cheaper than all the other people. Purple sticky rice with coconut milk and banana. Huh, those look interesting. Ooh, look at that. Coconut. Lychee. These are so good. I had a lychee martini last night. Oh my gosh. It was amazing. It's like $5 for a box of these. So I'm standing at this ABC store and I can currently see one ABC store right there, one over there, and one all the way down there. So, let's go. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Some Maui chips. Cute little deco tape. I've never seen these. I think these might be new. And they even have makeup. They literally have everything. There's like so much stuff in here. Hawaiian coffee is the shit, y'all. I usually drink this. My brother usually sends me that, so I always have that on hand. But they literally have, oh, this is like fancy. It's like not on my level. This is more of my stuff, the $5.99 stuff. And then this place is awesome because they have like so much pre-made stuff. So they have like all these salads and just stuff you can get like while you're at the beach. All the shrimp. A little mochi. These are so good. That's cool. Oh my gosh, kombucha. These are so good. I'll like put these in the freezer. Maybe I should do like a little Hawaii giveaway and send you guys some of my favorite stuff. That's actually a really good idea. I'm gonna do that. These nuts, do they have, okay, they have the honey ones. These honey ones, so good. I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway, just like giving away some of my favorite little like snacks, I feel like. Alrighty, now I'm gonna walk home. Wow, freaking props to you if you stayed and watched this whole video. You are a true OG. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But once again, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my